everyone. Our lesson for today is all about illustrate polynomial functions. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about illustration of polynomial functions. A polynomial function is a function which involves only non-negative integer powers only. It may be written in the form of f of x or y. So yung polynomial function, pwede siyang f of x or y. So consider the first set of examples below. So the first one is f of x equals negative x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x minus 1. The second is f of x is equal to negative x cubed plus 5x raised to negative 2 plus 6x minus 1. Based from the definition of polynomial functions, powers must be non-negative. I repeat, powers must be non-negative. Or should I say, positive only. The first example is a polynomial function. So this one is a polynomial. Polynomial function itong isang ito. While the second is not. Why? Because it has a negative powers. And that is the negative 2. Nakuha ba? So next. Another is f of x equals 3x cubed over 4 minus 2x squared over 3 plus x over 2 plus 8. On the other hand, we have f of x equals 3 over 4x cubed minus 2 over 3x squared plus 1 over x plus 8. So which between these two examples is a polynomial and not polynomial? Variables of a polynomial function must be written on the numerator. I repeat, variables, ito yung mga x, y, yung mga literal coefficient of a polynomial function must be written in the numerator. The first example is a polynomial function. So this one, because the variables were written in the numerator. And the second, it will become f of x equals 3/4 x raised to negative 3 kasi dahil itataas natin yung ito. And kapag alam naman natin na kapag ginawa natin numerator yan, papalitan natin ng sign ng kanyang exponent. So minus 2/3 x raised to negative 2 plus x raised to negative 1 plus 8. So therefore, they have a negative powers. On the other hand, we call them a rational function. Another example, we have f of x equals x cubed square root of 5 minus x squared plus 3x minus 6. On the other hand, we have f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus square root of x minus 6. Powers of any term of a polynomial function must be whole numbers. So, kailangan daw sa polynomial function, ang powers, ang square root ay nasa whole number. Okay? So, the first example is a polynomial function. Dahil yung square root nasa whole number. If we rewrite the second example, it will become f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus x raised to 1/2 minus 6. So, balikan natin yung meaning, no? I'm sorry, meron na akong konting mali. So, ang sinasabing powers pala dito, the exponent itself, no? Na kailangan ng exponent, ang exponent ng polynomial ay hindi fraction or negative. Okay? Hindi rin decimal form. Kailangan daw whole number. So, yung x cubed, whole number on 3, whole number on 2. And also may 1 din dyan. But, in the second one, kung isusulat natin itong square root of x, remember that square root is equal to 1/2. So therefore, that will become x raised to 1/2. Eh, hindi siya whole number. Therefore, it is a fractional exponent and it is not a polynomial function. For better understanding of the terms in polynomial functions, consider the example y equals negative 2x cubed plus x squared minus 9x minus 5. I repeat, polynomial function can be f of x or y. So, the leading term in this example is basically, it is the term that contains the highest power of x or the highest degree. I repeat, the highest degree. Okay? Iba ang exponent sa degree, no? Halimbawa, meron akong ang aking leading term ay xy raised to 4. So ang kanyang degree ay 5. Paano naging 5? Ang x meron siyang 1 na exponent. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay? So the leading term contains the highest power of x, the highest degree. In the given example, we have negative 2x cubed as the leading term kasi siya yung may pinakamataas na exponent or degree. Okay, the exponent kasi pero pag degree, masasabi mong degree yan kapag siya yung pinakamataas kasi exponent, pwede rin siyang tawagin na degree, pero yung degree, pwedeng ipag-add yung exponent ng dalawang variables, no? Okay. Now, for the leading coefficient, it is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. In the given example, the leading term is negative 2x cubed. Therefore, the leading coefficient is negative 2. For the constant term is the only number that we can see, only number without variable, no? It is a term which does not contain any variable. In a given example, negative 5 is the constant term. The degree of a polynomial, just simply get the highest powers among the terms of x. I repeat, iba yung degree sa exponent, no? In the given example, 3 is the degree of the polynomial function. Sa polynomial function, para ma-determine natin ulit ang leading term, degree po ang hinahanap natin, hindi yung exponent. Okay? Hindi yung highest exponent, but the highest degree. Okay? Siya yung gagamitin natin to become the leading term. Kasi iba-iba yung mga polynomial. Meron din kasing katulad nito na may ganyan. So, kailangan mo makita yung degree. At yung degree, makikita mo kapag pinag-add mo yung mga exponents ng variable na given. Okay? Now, well, that's all about for our topic about illustration of polynomial functions. So with that, thank you very much for your listening.